go. Get some noise going. Look at this thing. I've never had this out before.